There are no words to paint a picture of you, girl. Your eyes, those curves, it's like you're from some other world. You walk a mile away, oh God, it's so frustrating. So why do I disappear when you come near? It makes me feel so small. Why do I blow my lines almost every time like I got no chance at all? If I could be a Superman, I'd fly into the stars and back again. Cause every time you touch my hand, you feel my powers running through your veins. But I can only write this song and tell you that I'm not that strong. Cause I'm no Superman. I hope you like me as I am. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Da-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum.